are you?
I'm the big blue bird. Ow.
What are you doing in my room?
I see you were struggling on something.
No, I'm good. Why are you in my room?
What I just said. I saw you were struggling on something.
I'm good. Get out of my room.
I want to help you on your struggle.
I'm not struggling on anything. Get out of my room.
Are you dead?
No!
You over here.
No. Ow!
Listen! You are struggling on something, and I know it! I've been watching you from the skies!
So you're God.
No.
Are you a God?
Yeah. I can grant you wishes.
Oh.
So, what's your first wish?
Well, I wish that my video has the great quality.
They already have. They already have great quality.
Oh. Well, I wish there was no way for me to get demonetized.
I can banish your sister into another dimension.
Oh, okay, no. No thank you.
Oh, well. Choose yourself.
Let's see.
Wish something already!
Ow! Do you let me think?
No! Say something immediately!
No! Thank goodness it's over.
It's not over! I am not dead!
Well, you should be. Even because you're no god. You're just a bird. An angry bird.
You know, I was an angry bird. But now I am!
Ow! 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 Jeez, you sound annoying. As toad. Get out! Get out of my room!
No! Ow! Ow!
Get out! Get out! Well, if you like this, then be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell. Also, yeah. Very random of me, but guess what? That's the first thing that came up in my head. I have a TikTok. You'll follow that. Yeah. I'll see you guys later.